नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। सो द यूएस इंडाइसेस experienced high volatility on Tuesday but mostly closed higher. Uncertainty over President Donald Trump's trade policies ahead of Wednesday's reciprocal tariff announcement kept traders on the edge. The Nasdaq surged 0.82%, the S&P 500 gained 0.38%, while the Dow slipped 0.03%. The Brent crude is comfortable trading above its 100-day EMA level since last three trading sessions. Going ahead, the 200-day EMA at $75.74 will act as a key hurdle, while the immediate support is seen at $73.6 to $73.4. The US dollar index has been range bound between 104.49 to 103.75 levels for the past three sessions. A breakout on either side could trigger a sharp trending move. Talking about Nifty's view on the first trading session of the financial year 2026, the benchmark index Nifty has witnessed a high volatility as index has oscillated in 428 points range. This was the highest daily range since January 21st. In the first hour of the session, the index has witnessed a recovery, but it has marked a high of 23,565 level and thereafter witnessed a correction of over 385 points. Finally, it has ended the session below 23,200 mark with a loss of 1.5% and formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow on the daily scale. Along with this fall, the index has slipped below its 100 and 200-day EMA level. The major contributors to the decline were HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Infosys, and Reliance Industries. Meanwhile, broader market showed relative resilience, with Nifty mid-cap and small-cap 100 indices losing 0.86% and 0.70% respectively. Going ahead, the 20-day EMA zone of 23,100 to 23,070 इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का काम करेगा. If the index slips below the 23,070 level, तो अगला सपोर्ट 22,920 लेवल पर है, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of its prior upward rally of 21,964 to 23,869. While ऊपर की तरफ द जोन ऑफ 23,300 to 23,330 इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा. On the derivatives front, the April futures dipped by 1.34%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 1.42%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 23,200 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 23,300 strike. On the put side, the 23,100 has a substantial open interest followed by the 23,000 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.63, while for the monthly series, OIPCR is at 0.88. Talking about Bank Nifty also witnessed a high volatility on Tuesday as it oscillated in the 941 points range. It has ended the session near the 50,800 level with a loss of 1.43% and formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow, which is a bearish sign. Going ahead, 5500 to 5400 का जोन एक क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का काम करेगा, while 51,150 to 51,200 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा. Talking about Sensex view on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark index Sensex also witnessed the high volatility and ended the session with a loss of 1.80%. On a daily scale, it has formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow. Going ahead, 75,700 to 75,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का काम करेगा, while 76,500 to 76,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा. On the derivative front, the weekly futures ended lower by 1.70% and the open interest of the current series has surged by 58.62%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 76,500 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 77,000 strike. On the put side, 76,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 75,500 strike. For the monthly series, the OIPCR is at 0.69. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX surged by over 8% on Tuesday and it has surged above its 20-day EMA level. Going ahead, the zone of 14.3 to 14.5 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. On the downside, the zone of 12.8 to 12.5 will act as an immediate support. Despite the correction in the frontline indices, the advance decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty India Tourism, Nifty PSU Banks and Nifty PSC are likely to outperform in the short term, while Nifty Consumer Durable, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Healthcare and Nifty Realty are likely to underperform in the short term. Talking about the FI DI data, the FI sold to the tune of 5,901 crore while the DI is bought to the tune of 4,322. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 30.62, as on a net basis, there's 3,571 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.